That's sit down like sponsor. Will you sit very well? This guy. For in mind, you want from big boy. This guy carry show come on for Lagos. Pass Shagamu. Pass Ijebode. He can't go Ore. Hey. He go do event for Ore. He carry you remember? Hey, we gather reach Ore. People will come the event, sir. 5,000 people. Now he come the venue. But only 7 now he enter hall. Now you I tell believe anything China, you know they be original. As it is now police. Now he stand for our collateral. As it is, so he traveling back to the Ore since December. Don't big for waiting, I don't know. I don't try advance, I know they learn. You know as big for nothing. Yeah, you see your profile. You want me to continue? I carry this guy go event for Abuja. They pay our flight. He said no, he won't come by road. I'm telling you reality. If I lie and here I stand, may God bear me witness. See, I see they like that. They pay our flight, not be joke. This guy say lie, he need money. From Abuja reach Lagos, 1 hour 10 minutes. If you too take by flight, we leave Abuja because now me carry and go. I not get choice. I need to follow and come by road because they no come ask me where person where you carry go. You don't go use and do money ritual. Now so we left Abuja 8:30 a.m. We reached Lagos to 11 p.m. I need to stay house where be say now landlord they lock gates. You know those corridor where be say when landlord they write once it's 10 p.m. sleep where they go. Come reach Ikotu. Let me tell you, DJ, this guy. Now let this guy play for one burial. The body dance, stand up, biggie dance. Make I tell you, Nigeria pastor they try. You know easy to run ministry. You know easy. I'm telling you, now inside cup water sweet not before lagoon. That was at the first, anytime see where people go, they gossip say, why pastor go buy theoraba, buy private jet. Some people they like, make their pastor they drive motor where they push after service. They'll call, even some go drive roaster. Usher, it's your turn to push pastor service car today. Choir, get ready next week. It's a disgrace to member. That's the good people forget. If your pastor buy theoraba, congratulate him and key into the anointing. For the fact they did it, even you say you go drive. They're not doing for ghosts. We are Christ followers. Listen, let me tell you, even Jesus self, he not life only use. I don't know. When he went enter Jerusalem, when he tell the disciples, he said, go to some place, you will see a donkey that is tied to a tree. The one that have never been used by any man. What be that? Terrible. In case you don't know, horse those days, na MPG wagon of nowadays. Camel, na commercial bus, now they take carry load. Elephant, na more technology, now improve which way we did today. I was in the event in Uniben. I was telling students, if you graduate, you believe say government go give you work. You go take for us. There are many things that are yet to be discovered. You talk about Igbo guys, Igbo, make I tell you, Igbo people that they try you. If not be Igbo people, there are some technology we for never know say that they exist. Then they go abroad, pack and come. Whether it lasts or not last. Now remember when Nokia 33K did that time? When Igbo people, now they bring phone where they use 3 SIM. If not be Igbo people, when I buy a phone for Igbo hand, you know those phones where we say one hand go come like this, go join together. When I buy and I honor Igbo man hand, now he come. The hand read me though, instead of to shake, he come they perform the traditional rites. I see the hand they do like this. Yeah. I go I buy power bank. How much? 500. I say give me 4. I buy 4 power bank. When I come, my phone low. I plug power bank. Instead of power bank to charge my phone, I notice that on my phone they charge the power bank. Listen, thank God for Nigeria. This country now not be waiting to study matter. Now wait till they do. That's one thing about Nigeria. That's why I see somebody where I got a friend who study architecture. Now he's a cashier in the bank. Even me, I study computer science, but today I'm into entertainment. There are many things that are yet to be discovered. Tell your neighbor, go and discover something. I dey do research where if I tell you now what I don't discover, you will be amazed. If you live in swampy area, go and find out frogs speak Urobo. Now me discover them. Una no know. Early in the morning, see where the children greet their father. You dey hear me go up, 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 me go up. That is Urobo language. Now waiting frog they speak. Now me discover them. I tell you back to sender. You see the papa will come to respond. Oh, you hear Fredo, 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 Fredo. Pikin, me go up, papa, Fredo, me go up, Fredo, me go up. Urobo, area. Come, if you sit down near and hold your phone well. No, the guy not a thief. Just that anywhere where they things they lost. It's a talent. Now follow come. It's a free gift. Most of you now you eat chicken. You don't know language that chicken speak. I discovered it. Nigeria chicken speak 3 Nigeria languages: Bini, Yoruba, and English. If you see where small fowl they find in mama, he speak Bini. You they hear iye for Bini means mama. I discovered it. When the mama see and come cover them with wings, you come encourage them with Bini. You they hear call na greeting for Bini. When hawk where they catch fowl, come catch one of those chick, come they fly they go. That one come cry fall on with Yoruba. You they hear femile. Then the father the cock, you come they provoke with English. You they hear for what? For what?